Welcome to Creative Chris and Rachel. This time in our Christmas videos, we'll be making Christmas tree ornaments. And in the first video, I'll be making two rustic looking ornaments. To get started, we'll need cardboard, jute thread, glue, twine and some beads. Take the cardboard and cut out an outline of a Christmas tree. Apply the glue as shown and start twirling the jute thread around. Now cut the excess thread and trim out the fibers popping out. Attach a twine to the Christmas ornament and decorate it with some beads and a foam paper star on the top. It's ready! Now, take another cardboard and cut out a candy cane and do the same. Instead of using beads this time, take a ribbon and tie a bow. And it's ready too. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like our videos and leave a comment. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!